Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 2, Integers, Rational Numbers and Real Numbers, Exercise 2B, Question number 6 to 8, Advanced Level. Question number 6. The temperature of a village on a particular night is -11 degrees Celsius. The next morning, the temperature rises by 7 degrees Celsius. Find the temperature in the morning. We have given that temperature at night equals to -11 degrees Celsius. Rise in temperature equals to 7 degrees Celsius. Rise in temperature means temperature is increased, and for increase we use plus sign. So, temperature in morning equals to -11 plus 7. Since both numbers have different signs, so we subtract smaller number from larger number and place sign of larger number before result. Therefore, temperature in morning equals to -4 degrees Celsius. Question number 7. The figure shows part of a thermometer. The readings are in degrees Celsius. Find the difference between the temperatures indicated by the points A and B. Point A indicates -7 degrees Celsius. Point B indicates 16 degrees Celsius. Difference means we have to subtract lower temperature from higher temperature. Here we have higher temperature equals to 16 degrees Celsius and lower temperature equals to -7 degrees Celsius. So, temperature difference equals to 16 minus -7. First multiply the signs. Since both signs are same, so final sign will be plus. Therefore, temperature difference equals to 23 degrees Celsius. Question number 8. A city is located at a height of 138 meters above sea level while a town is at height of 51 meters below sea level. Represent the altitude of the town using a negative number. Hence, find the difference in altitude between the city and the town. Note, value above sea level is indicated by n sign and value below sea level is indicated by minus sign. So, altitude of city equals to plus 138 meters. Altitude of town equals to -51 meters because it is below sea level. Difference means we have to subtract lower altitude from higher altitude. So, altitude difference equals to 138 minus -51. First multiply the signs. Since both signs are same, so final sign will be plus. Therefore, altitude difference equals to 189 meters. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.